As the largest state in the USA, Alaska offers plenty of beautiful sights to explore. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the best things to do in Alaska. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. The first thing you have to do in Alaska is to visit DENALI National Park. Covering an area of about 6 million acres, the park encompasses terrains of lush green forests and glaciers. The park is also home to some incredible wildlife, including grizzly bears and wolves. You can visit this national park all year round. Popular activities in the summer include biking, backpacking, hiking and mountaineering. Wintertime activities include dog sledding and cross-country skiing. The next thing you have to do in Alaska is drive along the Alaska Highway. This famous road takes you from Alaska through British Columbia, Canada. It technically starts in Dawson Creek, BC and ends at Delta Junction, but you can of course drive either way. This is a long drive, so plan at least 4 days for this trip, giving you time to stop and see the sights. The Alaska Highway was constructed during World War II, and it is an incredible drive for travelers looking for amazing views and a unique experience. The next thing to do in Alaska is to visit the Tracy Arm Fjord. Located about 70 miles north of Petersburg, Alaska, Tracy Arm is a classic fjord and a must-see vacation spot in Alaska. You can expect to find narrow waterways surrounded by sharp cliffs. This area attracts tourists from all over the world, with a 27-mile-long Tracy Arm Fjord being an incredible natural gem. Another must-see is the Inside Passage. The Inside Passage is a coastal route for ships and boats. It extends from southeastern Alaska in the United States to northwestern Washington state. Here you will find pristine waters and endless shoreline. It offers beautiful scenery and is home to an abundance of wildlife. This popular tourist destination also offers boating, camping and hiking opportunities for travelers. Next we have the Dalton Highway. This is one of the most isolated roads in the whole world and is said to be the loneliest road on the planet. The trip along this route is often called the ultimate road trip by travelers, as it offers views and experiences of America's Arctic, its wildlife and landscape. It is one of the only 2 roads in North America that crosses the Arctic Circle. This definitely makes for a unique road trip, but make sure to be prepared. There are long stretches that do not have service stations nearby. Wrangell St. Elias National Park and Preserve is another best thing to see in Alaska. This is a vast national park encompassing an area of around 13 million acres. This is the largest national park in Alaska. Also, this protected area is included in an international biosphere reserve and is part of the Wrangell St. Elias UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park features 9 out of 16 highest peaks in the United States, meaning you can find breathtaking panoramic views from the mountains. It is also an ideal national park for climbers and walkers. Whilst you are in Alaska, make sure to visit the majestic city of SEWARD. This city makes for an ideal base for those exploring the state. You can find plenty of restaurants in this city, as well as some fantastic hotels to relax and unwind in. For something a little different, why not head to the University of Alaska Museum of the North? Located in Fairbanks, the UA Museum of the North is home to over 1 million historical artifacts, including Alaskan art. The building itself is spectacular, with interesting lines and curves that resemble the Alaskan landscape. You can explore the museum at your own pace, with many visitors taking at least 2 hours to discover the museum. Watch this video to find out 20 of the best things to see and do in the USA. Then, to learn how to save some money whilst traveling America, watch this video. We hope you have a great time exploring Alaska and stay creative.